Today I will discuss about the different sounds of letter B. B sounds B, 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 A, D, bed, B, I, G, big, B, U, D, bud, B, A, T, bat, B, all, ball, B, U, K, book. Letter B at the end of the word. Tub, cub, rob, mob, lab, fab. When letter B comes after letter M, it becomes silent, like lamb, comb, crumb, climb, thumb. Also, when letter B comes before letter T, it becomes silent, doubt, debt, settle. This is story time. Today's story is Ben and the Big Blue Bag. Ben had a big blue bag. The bag was on its back. Ben put a book in the bag. He packed a bun and a bat. Ben was glad to have his bag. He waved bye and got on the bus. Ben and his big blue bag had fun. Let's practice. B at a bat, B egg a bag, B at a bat, B in a ben, B ig a big, B on a bun, B us a bus, buy, B ek a back, blue, B ook a book. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for further videos.